Well, crazy story, but it's true. This really happened, and you can see from the photos, right? We use should have to talk about opinions about the past. Now, the guy broke my tooth, so I have some opinions about it. Now, again, the past is the past. I can't change it. It happened. The sentences I talk about are not real. So he should not have been waving the pirate statue. Now, to wave normally means like this, but waving is like that there. It's a big metal statue of this size. It's for real. And he was waving this thing. He should not have been waving the pirate statue. He should not have been waving the pirate statue, right? It's a negative, but it's not real. He was waving it, yeah? So again, let's train that pronunciation. He should not have been waving the statue. He shouldn't have been waving the statue. Are you training with me? He shouldn't have. He shouldn't have been waving the statue. He shouldn't have been waving the statue, right? Always that strong N. Shouldn't. He shouldn't have been waving the statue. True story. This is really obvious. He should have been more careful. He wasn't careful. He could have hit me in the eye. He didn't hit me in the eye. He hit me in the tooth. I'm not sure which was worse, but, well, he broke my tooth. So again, let's just train the pronunciation to really get this. Remember, it's repetition and speaking out loud in your own voice that really helps you get fluent in this, if you really want it. He should have been more careful. He should have been more careful. He should have been more careful. And the next one, he could have hit me in the eye. He could have hit me in the eye. He coulda hit me in the eye. So again, we use this should have and should not have. We're talking about blaming people. Talking about what someone else did wrong. Now, he's my friend and I forgave him. It was an accident. I can have opinions about it, but it was an accident, you know. Someone else's mistake. What else could have happened and what could have been worse, all right? So, crazy story, but it was true, all right? Do you have any crazy stories or any ideas or crazy accidents out there that can help you start to use this grammar for yourself? I think some of you do. So in the next module, I'm going to talk about some more pronunciation stuff, really important module. It's about past ED pronunciation of regular past tense verbs. All right, see you there, guys.